quite go steep enough, but I'll grind that down once I've cut it all the way through to get it where I need it. This is very much an experiment, but having removed that piece of metal, clamp it round, weld it back up to get a curved end. Very much an experiment. There's a twist I was a bit nervous I wouldn't be able to get. Clamping that in and getting a big spanner on and putting them next to each other, I can kind of measure it with a straight edge across to see how much that slopes in, how much that slopes in. And I think that's good enough. It with these spot weld drills is effectively like a little miniature hole cutter. So they sit in the middle and then there's a blade that goes around the outside. So the waste comes out like that when they're nice and sharp. But they do have a habit of holding on to the waste. So it's important that you clear that before you go again. Otherwise it's going to skid around on that, in effect, washer. So it's just something to watch for. Changed my mind. Before welding, I'm putting this strap in. That starts with a hole that I then cut into a slot. It's along the marked line, and then I can mark this up on the centre. Need to be careful with material thickness because that's significant. Before completing the welding on the other one, strap that back to the car. See where that comes versus the gauge block. It's lined up on the bottom of the radiator bracket. Same there. And this comes out within a couple of millimeters, and I've got the ability to tweak this end because it's just the strap iron, and I can move up and down and I can twist, but I really don't think I need to. I think the jig has delivered something within a couple of millimeters. Before I finish the welding, it will distort.